How to use Canva's Content Planner. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can schedule and plan your content directly from Canva, which has become one of the most popular design tools out there. So as an individual creator or as a small business, Canva can be your all-in-one tool. Now, to use Canva's Content Planner, you do need to upgrade to the Pro version of Canva, starting at only $9.50, and you can get a lot more, such as premium elements, templates, and many other Canva features. Now, when you have Canva Pro, you're going to be able to plan out your content, and your content planner is not just going to, function as a calendar. It's going to function as a full-fledged tool, which is going to have all the basic tools that you would need, all the basic necessities, such as linking directly to your accounts and then posting directly on your accounts. Now, to access our content planner, we're just going to go ahead and click on apps on the left. And once we click on apps on the left, we're going to scroll down and we will see content planner. Now, this is what your content planner is going to look like. So once you click on your content planner over here, you will see the current month, and then you have design for, certain recommended designs. So learn and play, add an event, schedule an Instagram post, connect social accounts, schedule social posts. So the first step on your content calendar is going to be to link your social accounts. So you're going to click on connect social accounts over here, click on create post, and you can connect whichever, account you want. So we are going to go ahead and proceed and choose what I want to link. So let's say it's going to be Instagram business, and I'm going to connect Instagram business via Facebook, and I'm just going to continue on with the Facebook pop-up, and all of you guys are going to get a pop-up for your Facebook login. So we're just going to proceed with that. It might take a couple of minutes for the login to be completed, and I'm just going to refresh this so it can function a bit better. Now I'm just going to wait for the Facebook login to be connected, and once we have this completed, you guys can see I can proceed with the rest of my linking. So I can link Pinterest, Slack, Tumblr, and then you can just click on create post and you can select your account where you want to publish your content onto. So for this, I'm going to link it to Pinterest, and I'm going to click on connect to Pinterest. And it's a bit slow right now, so let's go with the Facebook page and then log on to Facebook. And now that our account connections have been completed, we can proceed. Now in your calendar, you will have two types of content categorization. Either you will have your social media posts or events, and you can add your own events as well. Events and posts are different because events can be things like Valentine's Day or random acts of kindness days, versus a specific post is just going to be a post that you scheduled. You can click on add new and then choose if you want to create a new event or a post. Let's say I want to create a new event. Now, let's say for the event, it's going to be tomorrow and it's going to be called our Summer Collection Countdown Show. And then I'm just going to click on save. And now this has been added as a event. Now with any event, you might have relevant designs you want to link to that event, because when you're having events, even if they are, real life events, you would still need things such as banners, posters, and marketing content around that event. So you can click on create design to start creating designs that are related to your event. So for that, you can choose a custom size, or you can even upload your own, content and edit that. You can even choose what type of thing you're looking to create for your event, whether it's a presentation, a video, a website, or more. And if you click on add new and choose to create a post, you can choose one of your recent posts or explore some of the different templates. We're going to go with a Facebook page. Interest is down for some reason, which is why it's not letting us connect. I think I'm going to go into Facebook and we're going to update our Facebook settings. And right now I'm just connecting our Canva account to our Tumblr account so we can get started with posting. And I'm just going to go on ahead and follow a couple of things on Tumblr so that we can proceed on to our basic connection and we can start posting on Tumblr directly from Canva without having to manually open up all of our socials. So we have opened up Tumblr. For some reason, it is not connecting right now, which might be just an internet thing. But we're going to allow Canva to have access and read access and write access. We're just going to allow this. And just like that, the link has been completed. Now, if I click on add new and add a new post, I can select Tumblr as the channel and then select my Tumblr account. And I can write a caption and then schedule this post. Now you can go into your project and explore all of your pre-existing project or click on create a design, go into custom size. Let's say it's going to be inches. Let's say I want a basic quotation type design. So I'm going to go with this design here. And once I do that, I'm going to start customization. So I'm going to remove, all of this. And then I'm going to go into text and I am going to add some basic text like this. Just going to say a little is a lot when, or whatever quotation you want to add. I'm just going to add something basic such as early bird takes the worm. Then I'm just going to resize this. We can, add a bit more of a design element to it. We can also add other basic design elements such as decor. Even if you just search for decor, you can go into graphics and you will see, some pretty ending tools like these little lines or these stars or these borders, which you can include just to make your design look a bit more interesting. And I'm just going to place it like so. And I'm going to change the color onto this color so it matches, and then just place it like so. Now I can click on schedule on the top right, and once I click on schedule, I can select my Tumblr account, I can add a caption, and I can choose when I want this. So let's say I want this to be posted on Sunday at 6:55 p.m. I'm going to click on schedule, and just like that, our post has now been scheduled. And once you do that, you can go back into your content planner to see all of your content, and you can bulk create your content and then plan it accordingly. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.